If you're an Aries woman, this video might just find your next signature scent. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are kicking off something really exciting. My Zodiac perfume series. Every year I'll be deep diving into 2 zodiac signs, studying their personality, their vibe, their energy, and then recommending perfumes that truly captures their essence. And of course, I had to start with Aries because I'm an Aries sun myself. Aries women are honestly some of the most magnetic people in the room. They are bold, passionate, fearless, and natural born leaders. They are the ones who take initiative, start things first, and bring this fiery confidence that people can instantly feel. There's something very direct, powerful, and unapologetic about Aries women. But at the same time, Aries women have also this unexpected softness. There's a playful, spontaneous, almost childlike side to them. They get excited easily. They act from their heart, and there's this innocent and authenticity that makes them incredibly charming. So when I was choosing perfumes for Aries, I kept coming back to a very specific scent profile. Sharp, fruity fragrances. That fruity side represents that youthful, playful, slightly naive Aries spirit. The part of them that's curious, impulsive, and full of life. And the sharpness reflects their bold personality, their confidence, their fiery attitude, and that strong leader energy. So in today's video, I'm sharing 9 perfumes that I think represent Aries women beautifully. These are fragrances that feel vibrant, confident, energetic, and a little bit daring, just like Aries. If you're an Aries woman or you simply love bold, fruity fragrances, I think you're really going to enjoy this list. So let's start with the first perfume, which I think best represents Aries women. This is Angel Nova by Mugler. Look at this bright, hot pink color bottle, a star-shaped bottle, very easy to hold as well. This one is a sharp, spicy and sweet fragrance. It opens up with the note of juicy raspberry, lychee, and then rose comes in, then it drives down to those woody, musky notes. Let me tell you the exact notes of this perfume. So here in the top you get the raspberry and lychee, then in the middle you get the rose, and in the base you get the acai gal wood and benzoin. This is the ultra feminine fragrance. This one is quite similar to Dalina, but more fruitier and more sharper. And there's a reason why it's so similar to Dalina, because the perfumers of this fragrance and Dalina is same. This is a daytime appropriate fragrance and it's perfect for summer and spring. This fragrance projects really well. It's very loud and it stays really long. It's going to stay on a skin for at least 5 to 6 hours. It comes in 5 different sizes. This one is a 50 ml bottle which came around for 7,250 Indian rupees. My next recommendation for Aries women will be this beautiful fragrance which is called as Donna Born in Roma by Valentino. Look how pretty this bottle design is. This actually represents the Roman architecture. This is a 50 ml bottle which came around for 9,550 Indian rupees. This one is my recent purchase. I've already made a reel on this perfume. I initially didn't like it last year when I smelled it in the mall, but then when I smelled it this year, I was all over this fragrance. It's so addictive. This one is a bright, sharp, clean, boozy, clean fragrance. Let me tell you the exact notes of this fragrance. So here in the top you get the bergamot and pink pepper. Then in the middle you get 3 types of jasmines. And in the base you get the vanilla bourbon and modern wood. You can wear it in any season, at any time of the day. Very versatile. Lasts really long, at least 7 to 8 hours. It's going to last on your skin and it projects really well. The projection of this fragrance is very loud. Only strong personalities can carry this. It's in your face fragrance. It has that don't mess with me, that energy. Next up I have for you guys this bright red Eden Juicy Apple by Kayali. This one is a beautiful summer fragrance, a beautiful red apple and lychee fragrance. It smells like bright, fresh red apple juice. Let me tell you the exact notes of this fragrance. So here in the top you get the red apple, blackcurrant, pink grapefruit and lychee. In the middle you get the wild berries, raspberry blossom, jasmine and rose. Then the base you get the vanilla flower, amber crystals, sugared moss and musk. This one is a very youthful and happy scent. It will instantly uplift your mood. Beautiful daytime fragrance. The projection of this fragrance is mild though, and it's going to last on your skin for 3 to 4 hours. Also, this comes in 3 sizes. This is the 50 ml bottle, which came around for 8,660 Indian rupees. Next up, I have a fragrance which is not talked about loudly and which is not very popular, but it's one of my favorite. This one is Tweety Twilly by Hermes. This is a fruitier version of Hermes Twilly, perfect for summers. Actually, it's very versatile. You can wear it in any season. You can wear it during any time of the day. You can wear it in morning, you can wear it in evening, you can wear it at night. This one is again a very addictive fragrance. This one is a beautiful ginger and lychee fragrance. They're combined very beautifully in this. It's sharp, it's warm, it's crisp, and it's spicy at the same time. Let me tell you the exact notes of this fragrance. So here in the top you get the ginger blossom, in the middle you get the lychee, and in the base you get the musk. This one is a beautiful intoxicating fragrance, but this is not a blind buy. Smell this in store first and then buy it, because some people really hate this, but I really love this one because I love spicy gingery notes. This is a 12 ml bottle which came as a freebie with the Hermes Twilly. Also, the projection of this fragrance is very loud. People will notice you even from the next room. It's going to last on your skin for at least 7 to 8 hours. And now I have the coffee perfume for my Aries women, because I know my Aries women love their coffees. This one is Antigone Decaf by Lovechild Masaba. Also, this is the only Indian perfume in my list. I've included this one in my top Indian perfume video too. You can check that out as well. This one is a beautiful, warm and fresh coffee fragrance, heaven for coffee lovers. This smells like a gourmet coffee with a pinch of cinnamon and spices. This one again is very intoxicating. Let me tell you the exact notes of this fragrance. So here in the top you get the orange, pear, basil, black pepper and cardamom. In middle you get the coffee, sugar and rose. In the base you get the vanilla, dark chocolate, caramel, musk and amber. This one is a beautiful autumn and winter fragrance. Now this one is 100 ml bottle which came around for 2,200 Indian rupees. It projects very loud and it's going to stay on your skin for at least 6 to 7 hours. This is a perfect daytime fragrance. If you're craving coffee, if you want that extra dose of energy, this is it. And now it's time for another beautiful red color bottle, especially for my Aries women. Look at the beautiful tassel here, the heart-shaped one. This beautiful red color represents exactly how the Aries women are. Bold, playful and confident. This one has a unique spritzer. You have to turn it in the center. The only thing which I don't like about this perfume is this spritzer. It is quite complicated. So if you can see now it's open, so if you have to close it you have to move it at this side. I had a 30 ml earlier. It was very complicated in that size, therefore I recommend you guys to not go for 30 ml. Either buy this size, this is 90 ml, or go for the 50 ml bottle. This 90 ml bottle came for 8,150 Indian rupees. Now coming on to this fragrance, this is a beautiful woody, spicy strawberry and rose fragrance. I have included this perfume in my strawberry perfume video too. You can check that out as well. This is a mature strawberry fragrance. Perfect for nighttime, perfect for autumns and winters. Let me tell you the exact notes of this fragrance. So here in the top you get the wild strawberries, mandarin and pink pepper leaves. Then in the middle you get the red rose, Indian sambac jasmine and osmanthus flowers. In the base you get the cedar wood and grey amber. Now, the projection of this fragrance is loud and it's going to stay on your skin for easily 6 to 7 hours. Next up, we have the perfume from Victoria's Secret. This is the Bombshell Passion one, because Aries perfume list is incomplete without a perfume from Victoria's Secret. This one is a 7 ml bottle which came around for 1,999 Indian rupees. This comes in 50 and 100 ml too. This one is a beautiful nighttime fragrance. This one is a beautiful clean, sharp and floral fragrance. Beautiful jammy rose and peony fragrance. Perfect for autumn and winter. Now let me tell you the exact note of this fragrance. So here, along with the OG Bombshell notes, you get the cassis, queen peony and fuchsia rose. So I've already covered the Bombshell range in my another video where I have mentioned the detailed note of Bombshell perfume. You can check that out to see what are the notes of the OG Bombshell. But here, because of the cassis and rose, it gives it that jammy rose touch. It doesn't smell exactly like the OG Bombshell, but it has that DNA. It's a sharper, crispier version of Bombshell. Projection of this one is loud and it's going to stay on your skin for 5 to 6 hours. Next Next up, I have a perfume which symbolizes the Aries women. This is the Aries of perfumes. Look how dangerous it looks, like a James Bond movie. A killer stiletto with a pink soul. This one is Very Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. This one is syrupier and creamier version of Dolina. And again, there's a reason why it's so similar to Dolina, because it's by the same perfumer, Quentin Biche. So this one is a beautiful, sweet, lychee and rose fragrance, but it's not your fruity fragrance. It's a sharp fruity fragrance. Let me tell you the exact notes of this fragrance. So here in the top you get the red currant and lychee, in the middle you get the rose and lily, and then in the base you get the vanilla bourbon and vetiver. This one is a beautiful nighttime fragrance, perfect for autumns and winters, with loud projection, and like other Carolina Herrera Good Girl variants, it's easily going to last on your skin for 7 to 8 hours. Also, I have covered all the Carolina Herrera Good Girl variants in my another video. You can check that out as well. Also, this is a 50 ml bottle which came around for 9,020 Indian rupees. It comes in 3 more sizes, 10, 30 and 80 ml. Now in the last spot for my Aries women, I have the Alien by Mugler. Now this one is EDT, not the EDP version. This one is a modern clean jasmine perfume. This one is the sparkling, more citrusier version of Alien EDP. The creamy and beautifully well blended fragrance. Let me tell you the exact notes of this fragrance. So here in the top you get the mandarin, in the middle you get the Moroccan jasmine, and in the base you get the white amber and cashmere and wood. It has an impressive longevity for EDT because it's going to last on your skin for easily 6 to 8 hours. The projection of this fragrance is milder than the EDP version, but it's still loud. It's perfect for summer and spring. Just look at this bottle design. It looks like an alien spacesuit or like a gem or talisman. It comes in 2 sizes, 30 and 60. This is a 60 ml bottle which came around for 5,300 Indian rupees. So that was all, guys. My 9 perfume picks for Aries women. Fragrances that I think truly captures that bold, fiery, confident Aries energy, but also that playful, spontaneous, slightly innocent side that makes Aries women so unique. Let me know in the comment, if you are an Aries, which perfume from this list would you wear the most, or if there are any other perfume which represents Aries women the best. Also, this video is part of my Zodiac perfume series, where every year I'll be exploring 2 Zodiac signs and recommending fragrances that match their energy. So if you love perfume and astrology, make sure you subscribe because there are many more Zodiac perfume videos coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.